Communication and making plans. Welcome to Fluent Ease English, where you practice listening, speaking, and reflexes to make English a natural skill, just like your mother tongue. Today's lesson is about communication and making plans. After this lesson, you will be able to ask for contact details. Can I call you? What's your phone number? Can I have your email? Communicate easily. I'll text you. Did you get my message? Make and confirm plans. Let's meet. Are you free tomorrow? Sorry, I'm busy. See you at 7. Talk to you soon. Let's get started. Mini story. Planning to meet a friend. It is Thursday evening. Anna wants to meet her friend David. Anna calls David and says, "Hi David, can I call you tonight?" David laughs. "Anna, you are already calling me." "Yes, you can call me tonight." Anna asks, "What's your phone number again? I forgot." David answers, "My phone number is 123456. Don't forget it this time." Anna says, "Can I have your email too? I want to send you some pictures." David replies, "Sure, my email is david@example.com. Anna says, "Perfect, I'll text you later." David nods. "Okay, text me." The next day, Anna asks, "Did you get my message yesterday?" David says, "Yes, I got your message. You said, let's meet at the cafe." Anna asks, "Are you free tomorrow evening?" David thinks for a moment and says, "Sorry, I'm busy this weekend, but I'm free tonight." Anna smiles. "Great, see you at 7. David replies, "Yes, see you at 7. Talk to you soon." That evening, Anna and David meet at the cafe, laugh together, and enjoy their time. Now it's time for the mini-story Q&A. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. Mini-story Q&A. Planning to meet a friend. It is Thursday evening. Anna wants to meet her friend David. Who wants to meet her friend? Anna. Does Anna want to meet Tom or David? David. Is it Thursday evening or Sunday morning? Thursday evening. Anna calls David and says, "Hi David, can I call you tonight?" Who calls David? Anna. What does Anna ask? Can I call you tonight? Does Anna ask to call him tonight or tomorrow? Tonight. Anna asks, "What's your phone number again?" What does Anna ask? What's your phone number? Does she ask for his email or his phone number? His phone number. Who asks for the phone number? Anna. David says, "My phone number is 123456. Whose phone number is 123456? David's. Does David give Anna his phone number or his address? His phone number. What number does David say? 123456. Anna says, "Can I have your email too?" What does Anna want? His email. Does Anna ask for his email or his passport? His email. Who asks for the email? Anna. David replies, "Sure, my email is david@example.com. What is David's email? david@example.com. Does David say yes or no? Yes. Who gives the email? David. Anna says, "Perfect, I'll text you later." What will Anna do later? Text David. Does Anna say, "I'll call you" or "I'll text you"? I'll text you. Who will text David? Anna. The next day, Anna asks, "Did you get my message yesterday?" What does Anna ask? Did you get my message yesterday? Does Anna ask about a message or money? A message. Who asks about the message? Anna. David says, "Yes, you said, let's meet at the cafe." Where do they plan to meet? At the cafe. Does David agree to meet at the park or the cafe? At the cafe. Who wants to meet at the cafe? Anna and David. Anna asks, "Are you free tomorrow evening?" What does Anna ask? Are you free tomorrow evening? Does Anna ask about tomorrow or yesterday? Tomorrow. Who asks if David is free? Anna. David says, "Sorry, I'm busy this weekend." Is David free or busy this weekend? Busy? What does David say? Sorry, I'm busy this weekend. Who is busy this weekend? David. Anna smiles. Great. See you at 7. What time will they meet? At 7. Does Anna say, "See you at 7" or "See you at 9"? See you at 7. Who says see you at 7? Anna. David replies, "Talk to you soon." What does David say? Talk to you soon. Does David say goodbye or talk to you soon? Talk to you soon. Who says talk to you soon? David. Great job. You've just finished today's lesson about communication and making plans. Now you can ask for contact details, send messages, and make plans with friends in English. Keep practicing every day until these phrases become automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Fluent Ease English for more daily practice. See you in the next lesson. Bye. Talk to you soon.